Comrades, we have plans for the farmers. The Agricultural Development Fund to provide our farmers with credit so they can buy the inputs they need to produce. We can spend money on farm roads. We can spend money on storage facilities to reduce the post-harvest losses, currently at the level of 30%. And our school feeding program, which we are ramping up for the children of Jamaica, so that every needy child is guaranteed at least one hot, nutritious meal per day at school, primary school or secondary school, will inject $9 billion a year into the economy, and that money will benefit the farmers of this country because they will be providing the food.
But a time for talk the plans them now. There's a major shortage of housing units in Central St. Mary because this government has deliberately not invested in the housing stock in the constituency. And I talked to the next Minister of Housing, and I point out that the 600 acres of land right up the road that Housing Trust have, instead of them giving it to them friend or using it for some other purpose, we're going to use it for a housing development in the Port Maria area, so the people of Port Maria can have access to decent housing. And if you listen to the plans of the party, what we are doing with housing, when you buy an NHD house under the next People's National Party government, because of the amount of money that Andrew and the men have exploited and taken from the trust, we're not going to charge you for the land, we're going to give it back to you. I'm going to talk quickly about education. When the schools closed down during COVID, the government never continued their maintenance program. And so a lot of the house, the school, chichi eat down the plant. We're going to have to reconstruct the schools in Central St. Mary. And we're starting with Horace Clark High School, which is going to convert into a center of excellence for technical, vocational education and training. And we're donating a car up there before the end of July. So before the election come, your pitney them will go Horace Clark High School in September. If they want a level 3 certification, them start a first form in auto mechanics and them leave fifth form with a life qualification to go get work.
Comrades, I speak on the portfolio of water for the People's National Party. And I want to say it is time come for the people of Jamaica to stop carrying water on top of their heads. Time come under the People's National Party. Comrades, I hear Comrade Newell spoke a while ago. It is the commitment of the People's National Party government, administration under Comrade Mark Jefferson Golden, to ensure that the people of Barrett's Valley and Frontier Phase 2 get water under the People's National Party.
Are you ready for the People's National Party? If you know what time it is, I'm here, it's a time come. What time is it? What time is it? One love, comrades. One love. The word is love. God bless you all.